The media is selling you a lot of negativity and you're buying it. Quarantine tip number 9. Learn how to cook. Cook something you've never cooked before. Take out a recipe book and just bake, cook, lasagna. We made pizza the other day. Oh, is she so good at it? Oh my gosh, it was mwah. Prove to yourself you can do something positive. Alright, something good, done. And then eat it. Eat that positive thing that you just cooked in the media that you're buying right now. Quit listening to it. Cook as many recipes as you can. Prove to yourself you can get something done instead of getting done receiving media that is negative. Learn to cook. Learn to cook.